Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm sure you are ready and excited for our upcoming webinar for Introduction to Android Development on 26th December 2020. If you haven't already done setting up our playground for Android, then this video is for you. In this video, I will be guiding you to set up Android Studio and have it up and running. To do so, we first need to download Android Studio. Before we jump to that section, I would like to let you know that I will be using Mac for our webinar session. However, I understand most of the people may not have that, so I'm using Windows 10 on a virtual environment. To download the setup, we can either go directly to developer.android.com/studio, or we can simply Google Android Studio and it will lead us to the download page. As soon as you land on this page, you will be asked to select this green button. This button is for downloading Android Studio. All you need to do is click on this button. As soon as you click on this button, you will be asked to agree to the terms and condition. If you like, you can read them all, but I know what they are asking, so I'm just gonna click this checkbox and click on this download Android Studio for Windows button. Depending on your download speed and operating system, download time may vary. For me, this download size is 897 MB and version at the time of recording is 4.1.1. Your version and size may vary if Google decides to roll any new updates, but the process for the setup should remain unchanged. If any major changes occur, I will post a new video for you. Since I've already downloaded the setup before recording, so I will be using that file. At your end, you will have to wait for the download to be completed. Once the download is completed, you can proceed with the next step. In this first phase, we will just go to the download folder which is located in your system, and we will be running the setup file which we have just downloaded. As soon as you run the setup file, you will be asked for the permission to run the new setup. In this part, you just have to select yes, because it's just asking our permission to run setup, so we are saying yes. From this point, the setup process is super simple as long as you have installed some software in the past. If not, then this is gonna be your first experience with the setup wizards. Basically, this is a process which will help us install any softwares. In this case, it's the Android Studio. The first screen is to let us know a bit about setup. If you want to read, you can read, else just click on next. On the second screen, we are asked to select any add-ons or components we want to install along with the Android Studio. If you want, you can make changes and click on next again. The following screen is asking where we want to store or install Android Studio. Once again, no changes are required unless you want to. Just click on next and the last screen will appear. It's asking us where setup should put a shortcut for the Android Studio. Leave it as it is and hit install button. Now just sit back and relax. It will take a few minutes to install. Once all files are copied to your computer, you will be asked to hit a next button. Just click on that and you are done with the installing software. Well, we are just halfway to be done. This part was easy. The real setup starts now, so pay attention. As you hit finish button, you will be asked to select the settings. At the moment we don't have any, but if you have installed the previous version of Android Studio, you can select that files or just hit OK. You will see a loading screen in a few moments depending on your computer resources. Later, you will be asked to opt for sharing statistics with Google. Personally, I let Google access my data, but it will increase the amount of resources Android Studio consumes, so I'm not allowing it. If you like, you can choose any. At this point, software may ask us to update Android Studio to beta versions, but don't use them as they are unstable version of software and it will create some issues as they are still under development. Now we see a wizard similar to one we used before, so we will be following it. In this page, the introduction is given for the software. Just hit next. Since we are starting Android Studio for the first time, it will ask us to choose from two options, either use standard setup or want to customize Android Studio. If you want, you can choose custom. If you like, I can make another video dedicated to explaining all the things included in the custom installation. Let me know in the comment section. For this tutorial, I am selecting a standard installation which will make our task simple. So just hit next. At this point, it's asking us to select a theme for Android Studio. You can use any. I am selecting light. Personally, I prefer Dracula. Our task is done and we are being asked to download necessary SDK and platform tools which will be used to develop an Android applications. It will again take time to download depending on your network speed. There are some ways you can avoid downloading these files and use old or already downloaded versions. Let me know in the comment section if you like me to make a video on the same. Once the process is completed, you will see the screen. Just hit finish. As soon as you click finish button, you should see and you will be greeted with Android Studio's welcome page. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you want me to make more videos like this in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future videos. See you on the 26th December 2020. Don't forget to register yourself if you haven't already, as I will be giving certificates to early birds.